Hi guys, welcome to Hindi Snooker, and today's video is very important. It's all about a stunt shot. The problem with the players are they're facing is they feel like that it is stunt shot, but it is not. They're not 100% sure that whether they have played a correct stunt shot or it looks like a stunt shot. So today I'm gonna differentiate them, and this is an important video. You must follow this, and then I will explain what is the perfect stunt shot and how can you improve your stunt shot. So these are very important topics, but these may seem like a basic mistake, but these mistakes are stopping you from enhancing your game. So make sure you watch this full video, and before we start video, subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, follow my Facebook group for my live Facebook page for my live interaction, because I'm mostly live on my Facebook, and my TikTok, because I leave so many small shorts and videos on my TikTok channel. So let's start today's video and see what mistakes we are facing in a stunt shot and what is the best stunt shot you can develop in your skills. So guys, let's start our today's video, and I'm placing, you can see this is a pink spot, and I'm placing a red ball on the pink spot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what common mistakes we do and what is the best way to play a stunt shot and to understand what is a correct stunt shot. So let me play a first shot and see what we are doing now. Okay, now it's a straight pot. So now you see when I played a shot, my white ball moved away, so it means it wasn't a perfect stunt shot, even though I have managed to stop my white ball. But if I try to play my red ball on the spot again, it will, now you see like this. Now this is a spot, so it means it was even stopped, but there was a slight side in it, or it was not hit well enough. It was a stunt followish shot, and my white ball took the spot of pink ball. So second mistake, what we usually do, now you can see what mistake we had. We have played a shot, but now there is a gap between white ball and red ball. You see, so it means it was, even though it stopped, but there was a slight squish effect in it which pulled the white ball a bit back. So it wasn't a perfect stunt shot, because people think that oh, we have played a stunt shot, it is a good stop and all that, but it's not. Look, snooker is a game of perfection. The player who are playing on top level are always play a shot what they are intending to play. If they are not just playing for the sake of, oh, it is a stunt shot, yeah, it's fine, this. No, you have to be precise. Once you are on a top standard, then you can choose how you want to play, or is it okay or not. But still, once you are practicing, you are on an average player like 40-50 break player, you have to make sure, or even a beginner, you have to make sure when you are practicing your shots, after working on techniques. I did put some videos on technique. There is a whole playlist of English language videos on my YouTube channel. You must have a look at those. So you're working on your technique and you are moving towards the shots, the stunt shot, the screw shot, the follow shot. So make sure you work on them properly. Now let me show you how to play a correct stunt shot and what that means. Okay, now we are straight again. Now this is a decent stunt shot, and we will try to place our red ball on that spot again, and there is no gap between white ball and red ball. That means it was a well played, well hit stunt shot, and white stunned the moment it touches the red ball. So make sure when you are practicing, you practice from different spots, from different distances. It's very important that you practice these again and again and again. Increase it. Once you are okay with that, increase the distance and make sure that you are hitting your ball in the center, and your white should stop the moment it touches the red ball. I see, it was a good stun. So this is very important. Don't neglect it. Don't underestimate this practice. Don't underestimate the importance of correct stun, because if you do, trust me, you will be struggling in break building, on increasing your break building ability. When you are on 30, on 40, on 50, and you are unable to make bigger break because you have played a bad stun shot, or it was slightly off right, slightly off left, that means it's a big issue for you, and then you have to play a recovery to get back into the prime position again. But of course that's not easy, and that's not workable at all times. So make sure you do some practice routines, some from different spots, from blue, from green, from brown, pink, any spot, or even from away from the spot. Just place a ball anywhere, mark it with the chalk, and then try to play a couple of shots. That will actually enhance your ability of a perfect stun shot. So guys, if you got any questions, please feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook page, because my Facebook page, most of the time I'm live there, and the most videos are coming releasing on my Facebook page on regular basis. And if you have any suggestions, any comments, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.